set Nigeria right now. Hmm. I am here to declare what my Father in heaven told me. He said, I should not hide anything away from you. There is a new government that is coming up. That government is coming up in Nigeria. This government will sanitize everywhere without fear or favor. What am I saying? The president of this country, Nigeria, will go. You will say bye-bye if things are not done right. The senators of this country, who are the lawmakers in this country, through that government, the ministers in this country, who are also having powers to change things, but they are not changing things. Senators, ministers, they will also say bye-bye. This government will force them to say goodbye to this earth. They will crack them down to the extent many will not come back to Nigeria. Those that have run away before this bye-bye will come up. They will no longer come because their names will be everywhere, both where they will land and where they will take off. They will not come back to this country. Are you aware? Listen, the Lord can never be mocked. For whatsoever that man soweth, that he shall reap. The government will take the seat of power by force because of the injustice done to Nigerians. You think now you are getting a big salary as a senator, millions and millions and millions upon. Teachers are suffering. Child mortality, infant child mortality, mother and child is dying in the hospital. You think things are better for you. When you want to treat yourself, you go to abroad. Your children get sick, you travel them in the next minute to abroad to take care of themselves. You are just maintaining the skin for termites. Your children will suffer it. You are making a grave mistake. You are trampling on an explosive device that is tinkling about to explode. Yes. Tell the governors of this country. Tell the president of this country. Tell the senators of this country. The ministers of the red and upper chambers. Tell them. The Lord said I should tell Tinubu this will happen, and all of the senators, the judges that have done bad in the time past, that have done bad justice, that have perverted justice to the people, to start amending their ways. Start amending your ways. That is what the Lord in heaven have said. Start amending your ways. Rain wants to fall. Go now and carry your umbrella. Amend your ways. It is coming. You are the one the rain will fall on. Hey, Babari Kandaba. Yeah. The person that will take over this mantle of leadership will be ordained in anger and justice. Nothing will remain that is militating against the people of Nigeria. This government will bring freedom to many prisoners and people. This government that will arise if you people continue using the people for kalu. When I say kalu, when you people are misusing your authority and misusing the people, this government will never spare anyone. Hear it clearly. This government that will come by force will not spare anyone, because a man that will be on the mantle of leadership is incorruptible, and he will judge you incorruptibly. He will not pervert justice. It will be done the way it is. Rule of law will be in his feet. It will be in his arms. The truth shall be in his mouth. That's what the Lord has said. The government of our wicked leaders will be no more. The number of the nations will reduce, but the city will be saved from extortion and corruption. The number of people, he said, will depreciate. That means many will join their ancestors. Many will join their ancestors. This incorruptible leadership that will take over with force will force many things to go. Don't think that you have eaten today. I have a protruded belly. I have money in my account. Your money will be useless. When you are no more, your money will be useless. Your family cannot access anything. Your family will be at stake, because any child that is trained with bad money always face the tune of bad money. This is what the Lord said I should tell you. This is midnight. It's midnight. I am not here to cajole anybody, but I cannot marginalize what God has said and told you. In case if you don't know my name is Ambassador Single Edwin, the man from the East. I am a prophet in disguise. I don't own a church, but I tell you what my God has said I should tell you. If what I am saying you don't like it, that means you pervert justice, you don't like good things. Go and hug transformer. That is what I tell anyone who is bickering about what I am saying. Go and hug transformer. You are not supposed to be in the land of the living because you hate what is right. Arise from your slumber and do what is right. A government is coming. That government which you have marched on the feet is going to march you. It's going to crush you on the head. Beware. God bless you as you continue to subscribe and continue to watch my videos. Many are coming.